Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Adijita Aryani from grade 12 Science 1. I want to make an English assignment about procedure text.
So I want to show you how to make a fluffy pancake. The ingredients are milk, sugar, egg, flour, and the tools are tablespoon, teaspoon, fork and plate, triangle plastic, mixer, bowl, and pan. Continue to step by step. First, crack the eggs and separate the yolks and whites. Mix the egg yolks with 5 teaspoons of milk and flour. Mix the egg whites while mixing with 2 tablespoons of sugar 3 times. Take some of the white dough and mix it into the yellow dough, then mix into the remaining white dough. Put the dough into a triangle plastic. Prepare the pan, add a little oil, and smooth it with a tissue. Next, slowly peel the dough into the pan. Give 2 spoons of water over the pan and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Flip the pancake, give some water, and close it again. And the fluffy pancakes are ready to be served. Thank you for watching.